wings don't have to be from a restaurant or for a special occasion. You can make wings any day of the week, and this method is perfectly crunchy and so delicious. To make our wings extra crispy, we're going to add about a teaspoon of cornstarch, but not just cornstarch. We're also going to be adding in baking powder. To our cornstarch and baking powder, I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of that dry seasoning and give that a mix. And this works perfect with any of your favorite barbecue seasonings. Our first up is OBQ's Sweet Rub. It's a little bit of sweet and a little bit of spice. It's amazing on, of course, wings. Once it's all mixed in, you're not just gonna dump it on there yet. Those wings need to be dried as best as possible. So pat them dry with a paper towel, and then you can season them. To make these wings extra delicious, we're gonna be smoking them and then high heat finishing them. Today we're using our RecTech Backyard Beast. We're gonna let those wings smoke for about an hour, give or take, until they hit about 165 degrees internal temperature. Our chicken wings have been smoking for about an hour at that 225 mark, and they are temping at about 145 to 155 degrees. At this point, we're gonna crank up the heat and get those skins crisped up. Our final internal temperature we're looking for is 175 because that is gonna give you the crispy, perfect bite. Our wings are temping at 175 degrees, which is the perfect temperature for wings because they can have that crisp skin and all of that connective tissue within that wing has broken down to give you the perfect bite. Now we just need to finish them off. Now these wings are scrumptious, hot off the smoker, but we're going to add one more dimension of flavor, and that's with our butter. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of melted butter, the seasoning that we seasoned up the wings with. We're gonna add about 2 teaspoons of that into that melted butter. Give that a little mix, then drizzle that over the wings. And of course, toss to make sure they're evenly coated. I just like wings, no matter how they are delivered, but give this recipe and method a try. Try out our rubs. You can find all of them over on our website, www.barbecuepitstop.com, and make sure to check out all of our locations where you can find everything that we showed here.